WONDERJOE, the integrated cleaning machine from Schevaran. The key components of the machine are 35-liter open freshwater tank, 40-liter dirty water tank with cover, freshwater hose pipe with universal tap connector, high-pressure water and disinfectant plastic wand, low-pressure metal foaming wand, toilet bowl plastic wand, provision for using 2 separate chemicals with tubes and dilution tips, 5-meter vacuum hose with wet nozzle, 4-meter high-pressure hose pipe, motor and chassis with wheels, filter inside the freshwater tank, float inside the dirty water tank, switcher for chemicals, 20-meter long electrical cable, standard operating procedure for washroom cleaning. Display warning signage at the entrance. Knock and enter inside. Wheel in the WONDERJOE to the restroom. Check that you have the necessary accessories like brushes and squeegees with correct color code. Fill water from tap into the fresh water tank using the universal tap connector and hose pipe provided. Insert the chemicals into the dispensing system. The dilution tips to be set at the customized rate of dilution. Wear the PPE, goggles, mask and rubber gloves. Clear garbage from bins, replace garbage bags and bin liners if required. Dust the top of the cubicle door frame, AC vents, fixtures and dispensers. Flush the urinals and WC. With the help of the WC brush, push the water level down in the toilet. Collect all the toiletries from cubicles and keep them aside. Plug in the power. Connect the pressure and vacuum hoses to the WONDERJOE. Set the lever towards the foaming chemical. Switch on the pressure wash button. Using the low pressure foaming wand, direct the foam to all fixtures, WC, urinals, partitions and every nook and corner. Apply the foam behind and under the rim of the WC without fail. Wait 5 minutes for the chemical to act. Use glass squeegee to wipe all the foam from the glass surface and counter. The foam now should be thinning from the surfaces. Rinse with water at high pressure and rinse the foam from all surfaces. Switch off the pressure wash button. Switch on the vacuum hose button. Use the vacuum suction hose to remove soiled water. Switch off the vacuum hose button. Optionally, use the floor squeegee to guide the dirty water into the drain. Turn off foaming chemical lever and open the lever for disinfectant. Switch on the pressure wash button. Apply the disinfectant at high pressure to all fixtures and floors. Switch off the pressure wash button. Switch on the vacuum hose button. Use the vacuum suction hose to remove excess liquid from the floor. Switch off the vacuum hose switch. If required, use a microfiber mop for detailing and drying. Replace the toiletries. Drain the dirty water from WONDERJOE into the drain directly. Dry the machine completely. Unplug WONDERJOE from the mains. Disconnect the wands and the pressure hose and the vacuum hose. Wheel the WONDERJOE out of the restroom. Remove the caution board and move on to the next restroom. Some important points. It is important to cover all electric plug points before the start of cleaning. Liquid could enter the plug point causing electrocution. Don't rinse the foam without waiting for 5 minutes. It takes time for the chemical to act on the surfaces. Stubborn soils and stains should be periodically removed by single-disc machines or with an electrically operated scrubby. This can be a valuable asset for deep cleaning with WONDERJOE. Ensure the floor is dry before moving out of the restroom. You don't want footprints on a clean washroom.